Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on the HP Envy 13N0, focusing on its repairability. Today we will walk through the steps to diagnose and potentially repair this laptop, which is often deemed non-repairable. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Begin by ensuring the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Inside, you will see the battery, hard drive, and cooling system. If you suspect a battery issue, disconnect the battery connector carefully. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it's best to replace it. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any commitment. Next, let's examine the hard drive. If you're experiencing slow performance, it might be worth checking the hard drive's health. Remove the screws securing the hard drive and gently lift it out. You can connect it to another device using a SATA to USB adapter to check its status. If you need assistance, our service includes collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device checked without any hassle. Now let's focus on the cooling system. Dust accumulation can lead to overheating, so it's essential to clean the fans and vents. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. After cleaning, reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps. Ensure all screws are tightened properly and the back panel is securely in place. Finally, power on the laptop and check if the issues have been resolved. If the laptop still does not function correctly, it may require more extensive repairs. In such cases, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We offer no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your laptop serviced. In conclusion, while the HP Envy 13N0 may present challenges, with the right tools and knowledge, you can tackle many common issues. If you find yourself in need of professional assistance, remember we are here to help with our comprehensive services. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.